So today I am modeling how to use an online video tool to create an instructional video. The tool I'm using is called Nimbus. I'm going to use this tool to record how you can set up a Twitter account and use Twitter for the purpose of establishing or building your personal learning network, or PLN. So as you can see, I'm on website, and they have an article written by Betty Ray titled How to Use Twitter to Grow Your PLN. Now, this isn't anything new. This article is dated back almost 10 years ago. And so if you aren't on Twitter yet, it's time you get on Twitter, because it is the spot to be where organizations and people connect from all over the world. And it's an awesome, awesome tool to utilize because it allows you to stay current on information and connect, share ideas, collaborate, and access many wonderful resources. So the first thing you want to do if you're not already on Twitter is to set up a Twitter account. So it is recommended that if you're using Twitter for professional purposes, that you use your real name so people can recognize you. So now once you have your Twitter account set up, I have my account set up here. The next thing you'll want to do is you're going to want to start searching for people and organizations to follow. So you can go into Twitter and find the search bar, and you can type in keywords that might be of interest to you. Obviously, the more description you use, the more narrow results you'll receive. So I am in education, so I might type in education, but maybe I want to find information about science. So I could add science into my search bar. As you can see, my results are pulled up here. I can go under people, and here it will show me people and organizations that relate to my search parameters, education and science. So now once you have a list of people, you might want to begin by reading their descriptions and finding if they might be someone you'd be interested in following. The real nice thing about Twitter is that you can follow and unfollow at any time. It doesn't require a two-way acceptance like Facebook. So once you've found people to follow, you want to listen to what other people are saying. And then when you feel ready, you can participate in a chat. Now, in order to participate in a chat, you want to include the hashtag. So I'm going to show an example. So I can just go to my little feather plus sign here, and this would allow me to just write a tweet. If I want it attached to a chat, then I want to include a hashtag. Another option is I can go and I'm going to search for an organization that I really like, which is Teaching Tolerance. And so I'm going to go and find their Twitter account. And this allows me to see everything they've posted recently, all their tweets. I can like their tweet. I can also comment on their tweet. So I can push the speech bubble here, and I'm able to place a comment if I'd like. Remember, if I want my comment attached to the chat, I want to utilize the hashtag. Another option would be to retweet what someone else has already said. So this option here allows me to retweet what Teaching Tolerance posted. I can also retweet it with a comment as well. So if you're having problems on Twitter finding the right organizations to follow, you can always go and do a Google search, and you could search for best education accounts to follow on Twitter. And you could find organizations to follow through a Google search as well. So that's another option. So I hope I provided you some basic information about utilizing Twitter to grow your personalized learning network or personal learning network. And I also demonstrated how you can use the tool Nimbus to create an instructional type video. So I hope this video was helpful for you to utilize yourself with your students or fellow colleagues. Thank you for watching.